Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at the US100 on a weekly time frame. If we go back where the current price is trading at the moment, we can see that this is a big level. We've got this high back here, candle open, this candle open here, candle body is high. So significant level on the weekly. Trading right up into it, level week. Have a quick look at it on the daily, and then I'll go down to the lower time frame and give you my take on a trade idea. On the daily time frame, we can see here this candle high, candle body back over here, candle highs, 3, this balance area. A significant level on the weekly and the daily. We could just mark that up. Bit of a range through there, something like that. I'm okay with that. And then on the lower time frame, have a closer look at it. Actually, before we do, notice that we've traded into this level here on the daily distribution level. So we'll mark that up, level of interest. On this time frame, we've got this candle here as well. So the point of origin prior to this move here, this balance area down in here. So we'll just mark these up. Look at how we might be able to get involved with this. I'll go down to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, the other thing I should have mentioned on the daily was the imbalance. But we can see that here on the 4H as well. So have a look at this thin candle here. It's going to pick up the candle left and the low of the candle right. I mark that as a point of interest. This is a 4-hour price gap imbalance, 4H. So my thing with this is I'm looking for a short opportunity here. Counter trend. We've had this strong move, big drive up into this balance area, and also we could mark this on the 4H as well. I just grabbed this green candle, pull that through. So 4-hour and daily nested resistance. I'm looking for the counter trend trade, and I think my first port of call would be in through here. So I'm just picking up this balance area through here, 4H. That will be a target, counter trend. Let's just mark that up. By the way, guys, I mention this in every one of my videos. Have a look at the links below and check out the link that says We Trade Your Forex Account. You might find some very interesting statistics on my webpage. And the other one is to join our Telegram group. Love to see you in there. Alright, so we have resistance, this imbalance, and my question is, does this look to trade back down? If we pick up this low to high on the fib, kind of coincides with even the 50% here, but the 61.8786 fib zone. I'm going to be looking for a move back down in through this level here, down to at least the high of this bearish order block here, something like that. So my entry is going to be a market entry here. I'll go in with 0.2 position size, and I'm going to set up pending sell order up in here, and that one will be generally a little bit bigger, position size 0.4%. That's how I approach this. I trade around these 4-hour levels. In fact, we could mark this up as well. So we've got this nested 4-hour. That would be definitely a target for me around here, this 50% fib level here. Stop will go above, something like that. Just trading off these 4-hour levels. Now, if that's going to be the case, short position, go for broke with your risk reward here, but I'll be looking to take 70% off fairly early, and it's probably going to be even around this 38.2 fib level, maybe even in between. I like to take my money early. In fact, let's just grab the risk reward tool that I've got set up here. I'll show you how I've done this. It's the trend-based fib extension. If we click on, well, we'll click on our entry point here, pull it down, click, pull it back up to the entry point, click, and then have a look at this one up the top here. We just set that up on the stop loss. So there's a good level here, 1-to-1, just between this orange zone, 23.6, 38.2. So that's going to be, for me, that'll be target 1, and I'll take 70% off like to take most of my position early. The other thing with this setup is if we get a fill up in here, it doesn't take long. By the time it trades down to here, that's a profitable trade. So you can make a decision as to whether you want to close all at that point or stay in and take the risk. Target 1, something like that. And then you've got target 2 down in here. And of course, I mean, you know, if you're trailing this with your stop loss, the targets, I generally look left, and it's going to be, well, that's a target, this level here. Let me just mark that. See, there's a target there. The high of this balance area, that's another target. And what else have we got? We've got these highs over here. That's another target. All right, so this is where, you know, we can be taking partial profits. Oh, by the way, before I go, let me show you something. If you're looking to navigate the volatility, I want to show you this. This is our latest trade signals that we get. They appear over here in the alerts log. Look at all these opportunities. As you can see, every one of these signals has worked very nicely. If we use these signals in conjunction with a little bit of technical analysis, they can work out very well. So guys, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. We'll see you in the next one.